Finally getting it ready.
Yeah.
Come on. Yeah.
We're live, we're live, we're live, we're live. Good afternoon. Hey guys, today is the 1st of November. We are officially in a new month. Yay! And the fact that it starts on a Monday, so exciting. Like everything's so fresh. New week, new day. Yeah. But anyway, so a quick update. My business cards and my thank you cards came in today. I wasn't actually expecting them to come like this quickly because it did say it would take like 5 to 8 days or something like that. But here we are. I ordered them. Was that Friday when I was telling you that? I think it was Friday. Yeah. Yeah, I ordered them on Friday and either Thursday or Friday, and then they got here. I'll check my, actually, I have an invoice. Yeah, I ordered them on Thursday and then they're here on Monday, so that was like really quick. I opened the thank you cards just because I wasn't sure what it was. I actually forgot that I had placed an order. This is what the packaging looks like. They also sent me their own thank you card and stickers, and then they just like that. But I made these myself, you know. I designed them myself because you gotta save that coin, sis. No. Anyway, I'll just take one out so you guys can see. So this is how many I got. This is the back of it. So it's just got like me and the girl with our bonnets on. Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah. Here it is. Like, that's what inside. Yeah. And then that's why I don't know if I should be showing you this because it's got a discount code. Hang on. Anyway, so this is what it looks like inside. And it just says thank you for shopping with us, and then something something, and then obviously there's a discount code there. If you purchase something, then you get some money off your next order. I love it. But this is exciting, you guys. Let's have a look at the business cards. Is slightly different. Different color because my theme is black and gold, a bit of yellow and white. Not really white, but like white is there somewhere. There's a little box. They came in a little box for some reason. It's from the same company, but they came different. Oh wow, this is so pretty. Anyway, these are the business cards. Yeah, you just have the logo, my logo on it, and then the back of it, just the details, what they look like inside. So they're gonna be going side by side with this. I know, like, this is a bit like that. They look so tiny. How they would be like the size of a credit card or something. They look tiny. Like really tiny. I don't know if that's normal business card size. But anyway, those are the cards. And today I am still working on the website. I should have been doing that to begin with. I don't know why I didn't do that, because I thought I was gonna hire somebody to do it, but then I decided to just do it myself, just to save some money as well, you know, because I know what I need to do. Me hiring somebody is just me being lazy. So I'm gonna do it myself because I'm a boss. I'm doing myself. I got this. Wish me luck, you guys. Wish me luck. So that's of today. I'll show you the website. Just put you guys here so you can see the website. Anyway, what it's looking like. I'll just refresh it. So this is what the website is looking like so far. Got pictures. This is just the draft. I'm not done yet. Like, just added some pictures, and yeah. So I just need to update everything, make sure everything is right, and obviously the legal stuff. I've had to like submit ID and stuff like that. So yeah. That's what I need to do anyway. But you guys, if you're watching this, make sure you cop one of these. Look how gorgeous it looks. it's giving luxury vibes. Okay, okay. It's giving rich auntie vibes. Get you one of them bonnets. This is how it works. Basically, it just has strings, and look, it's so loose as well, so it's not going to be snatching your edges. Your hair is going to be intact, and you can move it forward if you want it on your forehead, or a bit further, and then you just like cross these over, bring it forward, and there you have it. You can just tie. I usually tie mine in a little bow, and that's it. Yeah, so if you're watching, obviously the website will be live by the time you guys are watching this video, so make sure you support your girl, and thank you. Bye. Today is the 2nd of November. We are officially in the new month. I think I said that yesterday, but yay, we are in the new month. And yeah, it's Tuesday. There's like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 3 more days till launch day. I am not done with the website. Yesterday I spent time faffing about with this thing, and I still didn't get it together because yeah, I don't know, I had to like reset everything. But anyway, I got a new package that came in today from Amazon. Look at this. This is what my house has turned into. Like boxes on boxes on boxes. Oh no, that's not the box. Wait, where's that Amazon box? That's not it. I didn't bring it. This is the box. But anyway, oh, I got this thing. It's like it's for like putting, you know, the label printer stuff inside. Like it holds it while it's printing at the back. So that's that. I got some bubble wrap for like, you know, if I need to wrap this in. So yeah, I got some of that. It's not so big because the one I kept seeing, the ones that were like really big, and I was like, yeah, I'm not trying to get like that much bubble wrap. I won't know where to put it. And it has like some fragile stickers as well, so you get like 10 fragile stickers with it. So that's cool. I got the smaller versions of these bubble mailers because the last one we got like really big. It's got these are like, I think there's 50, yeah, 50 of these. So that's pretty much it for, yeah, that's pretty much it for what came today from Amazon. I trusted Amazon. Literally everything is on Amazon. So yeah, that's it. Today I've just been working on the website, like listing stuff, trying to finalize everything. It's been keeping me busy. Like yesterday I was so tired. I had to literally just close the laptop because I wasn't leaving, so I had to leave. So yeah. So that's that for today, guys. So basically you're like, we can't even see you because it's not picking you up. Oh, it's finding you. Ooh, it found you. But anyway, so basically we just sat here and it's 23:59 or 11:59 p.m. and I'm about to make my website live. Yeah, it's just exciting. Woo!
Guys, I got off the phone with MCM so right? we can film this. Like, it's that serious.
Yeah, she's like, I want to be in the moment. And now I need to go find where.
The setting?
Because it's like gonna be 12 in a minute. So.
And I'm clicking at midnight. I don't care. I don't care.
Wait. Go to home.
59.
Wait, the stress.
No pressure, but I'm clicking.
All right, password disabled. Wait. Let me show you then. There it is.
Ooh,
Is it? It's midnight. It's active.
Woo, new business, period. I'm clicking, child.
I'm disabled it. I'm disabled it. Go try it.
Oh no.
What? Wait, what did it say? Okay, disable password. Okay. What do I need to click? Activate, enable password. What is that? Why does it say? Hang on, we'll be back in a bit. Technical difficulty.
Yeah.
We're live.
It's lit, child.
We're lit. Let me check it on my side. On my phone. We're gonna go in. It's midnight. It's 1 minute past AM. I'm looking hella crusty, but you know, Miss Yumba's got a bit of makeup on. Let's see.
We live.
We live. Yeah, we live. I need to find my where am I even? My link tree. Okay. The shop. So this is how you get to the site. You go into my bio, right? On my Instagram, you can't even see it. Anyway, follow the Instagram page. To my bio, I've got a link tree. And then on link tree, ooh, it's exposed, you can't see. Anyway, basically you see there. You see everything. Click on Unbotheredmane and it's live. I think Nyamba's shopping.
Period.
She's so quiet. I think she's doing the shop. Now I need to tell people in real time that the website is live. So you guys heard it here first. Well, technically not, because you're gonna watch it.
Yeah, or you're watching it late.
later. So yeah, hang on, I'll catch up with you in a bit.
The next day.
Hi guys, so today is Saturday, the day after the launch. I did not record. I didn't film on the launch. I mean, I filmed that when we were going live, and then on the day it was just like a normal day, and I completely like during the day especially, I completely just forgot to pick up the camera. But nothing much happened apart from I shared it on my main Instagram page to just say that I've launched my business, and obviously that was popping off. You know, everybody's like congratulating. It was, you know, yeah. I still have to reply to those comments. It's just to say thank you, because I'm not that person who will not reply. There's probably, I don't know how many comments there is, but I'm gonna get through it. I'm gonna reply to every single one of you guys. If you're one of them who's commented, I'm gonna reply just to show my gratitude towards your support. So yeah, today's the 6th, it's Saturday. We did get sales yesterday as well, and it happened like when I was eating and stuff. So some, you know, my friend purchased something, and then another person bought something. My friend bought the Moto hair growth oil, and then she got herself a bonnet as well. So I'm gonna process the orders, and yeah, I want to keep like shipping orders to be like for Monday. So during like weekends and that, I can process orders, but I'm not gonna ship them off until Monday. Yeah, just so that I have like this is the day that I do things, because Monday is my running errands day anyway. It'll just fit perfectly for me to do shipping orders on Mondays. I might try and see if I can get the post office to pick it up, because they can pick it up from your house as well. So I might try and do that. So yeah, we got 2 orders. Yeah, on my first day launching, and I got some people to order. So I am so thankful to you guys who were first to order from Unbotheredmane. I can't wait to see you guys rocking your hair bonnets using the oil and your hair flourishing. By the way, this is 2 weeks of my hair, and it's like already coming out. But anyway, so I'm about to process those orders, package them. I'm gonna film me packaging them, hopefully, so you guys can see the process. You know, the first few ones are exciting. So yeah. Hey guys, so I've just spent like the last half an hour maybe. I'm just trying to figure out the shipping part of things, because obviously I haven't done it before. So this is like one of the orders. I've just printed out the receipt for the customer. This is exciting. So I'm just gonna like fold it in half, and let me just show you what I'm doing. So basically, this is the mailer that I'll be using. It's one of the little gold ones, and the things that are going inside, I've got the business card here. I'm gonna put that inside of the bonnet just because it's tiny and it could get lost at the bottom. I don't know if this can fit in there. I'm gonna put these two inside of here. So this is the thank you card. You guys have already seen it. It looks like that. It has a discount code on it for like returning customers. If you come back again, you get like 10% off your next order. And then put it in there, and then stick that in. So the bonnet is actually, put it inside one of them organza bags like that. So I'm gonna put it, I have a scale here. I've already weighed it. I have my scale here. I weighed it before, so now that I've added the packaging slip, let's just see how much that's gonna be. 122. It's different. Maybe I should have waited. Okay, so I'm just trying to figure out, just because like when I weighed it, it weighed something else, and then I've added the packing slip inside, and it's saying something different. So I feel like this part is gonna be long, so let me just try and figure this out, and then I'll be back. Say hi to Kaden. Keeps coming in. Hey guys, so after fighting with my label printer, hey guys, so after fighting with my label printer, for like God knows how long, it's just doing other things. So I've just decided to just print the label on my normal printer, and yeah, because it's long, and then just do it the normal way, cut it out. Yep, that's the first order done. I don't know why I'm laughing, but the first one's gone. Well, not gone, but anyways, the first order packaged, you could say. I always love watching people package their orders. Now I finally get to do my own packaging. Yay! Hey guys, so I know this video ends a bit abruptly because I was just shooting continuously, and I wasn't like stopping the videos to say this is the end of the video. So here I am to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, join the tribe, and as always, live your best natural. Bye.